Hello guys, this is the come back again after a long break. Today I will show you how to uninstall Jupyter Notebook. Here is the steps that I will follow. I will explain each step one by one. At first, open command prompt. Now we have to set a directory to our Python script. So click on this PC, then go to your C drive or local disk, then click on users, your username. Now you have to find a folder named as app data. If you don't find this folder, just click on view and check on this hidden items. I hope you would find a folder named app data. Now open the app data, go to the local folder and then find a folder named as programs, and then open Python 3.9. Here there is a folder named as scripts. Open it. Now copy the directory path. Copy this code. Now type install pip-autoremove and hit enter. Now type pip-autoremove space Jupyter space -y. Y means yes. Now hit enter. Here you can see that it shows successfully uninstalled Jupyter. So it means Jupyter Notebook has been uninstalled from your machine.